Hey, what is going on YouTube? In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to turn any photo on your Android device or any photos of you or your friends or anyone into a 3D cartoon version. And this is actually realistic, so this is the best application out there to do this right now. So the application is called Voila, and you could also search and download this application. I'm not sure if it's on the Play Store. I did not get it from the Play Store, so let me check. Okay, so it's actually on the Play Store. So you could actually search for it on the Play Store and download this application. So I'm going to give you a demonstration of it. So let's launch the application. And once you've launched the application, it will ask you what you want to do. If you want 3D cartoon, Renaissance, 2D cartoon, caricature, or anything like that. So let's select 3D cartoon because that's what we're doing. And let's basically, you could select an image from your device, use your camera right there, or select celebrities. So that is what we will do. So let's select let's see, who do we want to use here? Let's work with Billie Eilish, and it's searching for some images of her on the web. So you need to look for a clear picture of Billie Eilish to turn into 3D form. So let's select this one and let's select use, and within a few seconds it will generate a 3D cartoon of Billie Eilish. And look at that one looks so cute. So basically this application is done without effort. You could save this to your gallery, upload this, share this image anywhere. So, and also this requires internet connection to change the image into its cartoon form. So yeah, that is basically it, guys, how you would go about converting these images or images of yourself into a cartoon without any hassle. Simply download the Voila application on the Google Play Store. I'll also leave a download link in the description. So yeah, that is basically it, guys, for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope this was helpful. Hacker 007 out.